There's Beck and Lucy with the radio flyer. Lucy, that's so nice of you to share with Beck. Yeah?
He doesn't like he wants to get up at that.
Whoa, you're almost on there. Here he goes. What do you think, Beck? What do you think? Do you like the radio flyer? Thanks for sharing, Lucy.
Go, Beck, go.
Okay, Beck, let's see it. Oh. Yeah, let's see it, Beck. Show us your skills.
Maybe
He actually
will help us do some action.
Hasn't learned how to move yet.
Action shots.
Here we go. Oh, I'm going backwards.
Hold on.
Oh, and Lucy's walking. Whoa. Lucy's taking steps.
Go, Lucy, go.
Go, Lucy, go.
Oh, good job.
Go, Lucy, go.
Hold on there.
Wow.
Look at Lucy go. Oh
All
my
right.
gosh, she's walking.
Good job, Lucy. Good job. Watch out. Beck's going to crash into you.
Yeah.
Beck's going backwards.
Forward, march.
Hey, Beck. What do you think? Do you like the radio flyer?
Step, step, step. Okay. Push down. Use your feet. Pedal, pedal, pedal.
Good job, Beck.
You know what?
Having fun?
And check this out. So, go this way. Ready?
Oh, jeez. Oh, wow. Here we go. Look at Beck walking. Ooh, it's like a little walking.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, good job, Beck.